Hi gorgeous, Elijah Alex here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name's Elijah Alex, makeup artist, beauty influencer, all-around personality. But if you're returning to my channel, hey gorgie, what's up? Welcome back. Grab your popcorn because we're about to give you a show like always. So for today's video, we are going to do something super different, super out of the box. And I'm really excited to do this. So I'm gonna be following along with a James Charles makeup tutorial. This is gonna be definitely something super interesting. I've done multiple recreation looks from him based off of like pictures that I've seen and then just like going off of the picture, but actually going along with the video is gonna be very interesting to see. And yeah, it's gonna be something. But before we dive into this video, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button below so you can be a part of the Gorgie Nation, and also give this video a big thumbs up. But let's go ahead and dive in.
What I'm envisioning for this look today is a graphic liner that looks like it's like a neon light against like a black backdrop. Normally I would lay down the black first, but I'm definitely concerned about putting color over top of black. Whatever. Let's just try it and see what happens.
So for the black, I'm going to use Dinestra Myricks Color Fix in Blackout, Black Owned Beauty brand. Y'all get on it.
Yeah, because
and it's super good. It's like super multiverse.
Drag queen eyeliner. Okay. Now just taking a little bit more of that black, I'm going to use this on a fluffy brush to diffuse out these edges. Very carefully. Putting this on the lower lash line as well. So now basically what I'm going to do is grab a little bit more of that white liner. You see lots of white liner in this video. I don't know why that ended up happening that way, but basically I'm just going to grab a little liner brush and sketch out like the graphic liner that I want to do, but I'm actually for once not going to worry about it being too precise because we're going to blend it out. And now I'm just going to grab a little fluffy brush. I saw a ton of people doing green neon, but I also saw a lot of people doing blue. So maybe I'll actually do like an ombre the two colors. Do you think that'd be cool?
Yeah.
Just gonna grab some shadows just like this, and I'm going to pack that right on top of that white liner, just like this.
Okay, I'm like not on that step
yet. That
yet.
Actually does look kind of cool.
Like, oh my god.
Oh, period. Now
I'm
I'll just
so
switch
behind.
it over to a little bit of teal.
Why?
I'm just gonna place a little bit of that green neon shade.
I'm gonna kind of bring this out a little bit
because
I kind of like.
So now that we have the colors kind of messily placed on there, and like I said,
like
this
you guys know
mess
that's like
kind of was
thing.
on purpose because this is basically going to be like
kind
the
of
glow of the neon. We don't want this to look like
still
the actual
packing
light
it,
just
but
yet.
also,
That's
like,
gonna be what happens
keep it,
right now.
you know.
With a tiny little liner brush and a little bit more white liner, I'm gonna go in with a second layer in that same general shape, but this time I'm gonna be much more precise.
I'm gonna bring it under here too.
Oh, I definitely want to add in that color to my lash line. Oh my god, kind of fun! Wow, that actually turned out really good. We love her. Off the juice, Cody got me trippin'.
Me too.
Off the juice, Cody.
Okay, so I had to figure out this eye real quick to see how pulled I wanted it. Now he's grabbing my liner. I placed my liner on this little thing. So, actually, pause. So I bought this. This was not sent to me. Support your black beauty brands, y'all. It's Black History Month. This is from DSMD Shop. And look, if you are a makeup artist like me out there, or like you just don't like putting things on the back of your wrist, like this is it. Like, I literally have my eyeshadow primer on there, another primer, my liner, what I use on my lids, like any liquids, creams, like even like these contour sticks, I like literally heat it up on here and I kind of just use it like that. So yes, go check them out. DSMD Shop. You know, I had to give them a little support your black beauty brands, y'all. Okay.
Worry about it being too precise because we're gonna blend it out.
Okay,
and now I'm just gonna grab a little fluffy brush. I saw a ton of people doing green neon, but I also saw a lot of people doing blue. So maybe I'll actually do like an ombre of the two colors. Do you think that'd be cool?
Yeah.
Just gonna grab some shadows just like this, and I'm going to pack that right on top of that white
like, did he
liner.
put it in or?
Ooh.
Oh, okay. It's like up.
Oh, that actually does look kind of cool. Oh, period. I'm going to pack that right on top of that white liner, just like this.
Ooh, that looks so cool.
Oh, that actually does look kind of cool. Oh, period. Now I'll just...
Same.
Definitely want to add in that color to my lash line.
I don't know if
Kind
I
of
can
fun.
add color in
Whoa, that actually turned out really good. We love her. Off the juice, Cody got me tripping.
Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much one eye done on camera with me following along with the video. I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do the other eye, and then we're gonna come back because we're not done with this look yet. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of an twist on this look. You know, a little here and there and a little everywhere. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty much done with both eyes, popped in a little lash, but now, when I said I was gonna change it up, we're gonna get into some artistry. We're actually gonna create like some lines here that kind of look like computerized in a way. Sort of, kind of, in a mix. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna take that white liner and I'm gonna take it on one of my small Morphe brushes. This is 250, and I'm kind of just gonna create some, I'm actually gonna work the under first. Alright, so this is just so we can place down the color, but I'm kind of like making like a computeristic kind of vibe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the lines, and then we're gonna place the colors down and then do the same thing with the lines so it looks like it's glowing. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much the completed look for look number 1. As you can see, I added a little like, I don't know, I kind of drew it to where it looks like it was like cyborgy, glowy. I'm looking at the monitor and like, yes, work, live, dip, spin, this is kill, you know. But now I gotta take all of this off and pretty much refix and touch up my base so we can get on to the next look. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start with the second and final look of this video. Instead of burnt orange.
Because I really like high contrast, but Chloe's home screen is so soft that I honestly feel like this will be perfect. I really want to match Chloe's muted pink tones as much as I possibly can, so I'm gonna grab the shade Mary from my palette on an M456 and use this color to further like the crease.
And he said 518. Hold on, James. I'm gonna need you to go back. I'm that one student that needs you to go back 10 million times. Pause. So I'm going to, let's see, because he's already moving on to like glitter and everything, and I'm still stuck on the first couple of steps. So let me just quickly get this eyeshadow together.
And I'm just gonna use a little flat top concealer brush and some more concealer to cut my crease. Now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of Sister, which is like the metallic champagne shade. I'm just gonna pack this right onto the lid. And I'm also gonna use the shade to highlight the inner corner as well.
Wait, what?
Why does this look so patchy down here?
He's using Sister.
Yeah, what is going on? I guess it won't really matter, to be honest, because it'll be covered in a butterfly anyway. There we go. That's the
He
shade.
said to highlight,
Okay,
so
now
I'm
I'm
just
gonna
gonna use
apply
that to
some
highlight.
nice glitter
I kind of brought
adhesive.
in the orange a little bit, so.
Hate using glitter. It's just gross. Like once you put on glitter, you're stuck with it for the next roughly 3 to 4 business days.
Because I always do this, let me go ahead and add the glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my 24A Artist Pass palette and just dive into Invite Only. That's like this nice glitter like
That looks-
right
Okay, so
here.
now that the overall
So I'm
shades
gonna
of
use
glitter are all
that.
on there,
I didn't want to
it's time add our
use
butterfly
like loose
design.
glitters
So
because
it's gonna take my nice
reality,
liquid
I hate
liner, and I'm
using
going to
glitter
just
as
do a
well,
regular.
too. Alright, so now we're doing the
So it's gonna
butterfly.
take my nice liquid liner, and I'm going to just do
one
a
size
regular
liner.
wing. Okay, now I'm just gonna draw a gigantic wing, basically. Now I'm just going to add in the little lines. Okay, so now the same thing on the little lower wing situation. Okay, and now the last step of this butterfly eye is just take a little bit of white eyeliner and add
Wait,
in
how did he
dots.
do the wing though? Go back. Pause. Okay, gigantic wing. Bro, this is so, like, hard. It's not even funny. First of all, oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh my god. right here. It gets worse. Okay, I'm trying. I am trying. You guys, I am trying. Look. Like I said, I don't normally do wing liner, so this is just how it's gonna be. Okay, I got it. It's kind of long, but I mean, I did overextend my butterfly wing, so.
Add in the little lines. Okay, so now the same thing on the little lower wing situation. Okay, and now the last step of this butterfly eye is just take a little bit of white eyeliner and add in the dots.
Oh! Hey! No, hey!
Okay. He said white eyeliner and added the dot.
Great.
No!
Mascara time.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, so this is one eye
How
of
did
this.
he do the bottom part? Please hold while I figure out my life. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much one eye done, and I thought it was gonna be a hot mess, but it's not. This is really cute. Alright, you guys, so that is this final butterfly look complete, and that's pretty much both looks complete now. I am super like... This is so cute. It's so like... It's such a fantasy. It's kind of hard to follow along with him because he does everything really like fast in his videos. Miss Charles, sweetheart, it's kind of hard. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. But that is pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video and getting really creative with me. If you guys like more videos like this, don't forget to comment down below and I can do pretty much any video that you want me to. Yeah. Don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button on your way out so you can be a part of the Gorgie Nation, and also give this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell as well so you get notified anytime I post a brand new YouTube video. New YouTube videos are on a new schedule now. We are now releasing videos every Friday. Let me say it one more time. Every Friday. One more time for the people in the back. Every Friday there will be a new YouTube video up on this platform. So you guys have something to look forward to on Fridays. I'm not gonna sing the whole song because that's back in the way back. You guys can follow me on all social media platforms at Elijah Alex with 2 X's at the end of them, and you can also find them linked around the screen, and on Snapchat at ElijahAlex1. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to become the artist. Bye.